Welcome everyone to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. It is week 20, 2019. I'm glad that you're along with us, where you can get to see my beard grow some more. Now, you might notice, first of all, that I have this camera harness on. It is the Cotton Carrier 3G 2-camera harness system. I'm going to be doing a real world review of this harness system while I'm on horseback this afternoon, and then also covering Joe while she's out riding. And I'm also going to do some stuff out in the branding pen and stuff like that in upcoming episodes. But this is what the system looks like, and I'm excited to give it a try. I've already made a 10-minute episode of unboxing and revealing this thing and setting it up, so watch for that. All right, we have a few announcements and then we'll get right into your questions. Announcement number one. I just recently had one seat open for the September workshop here in Utah, so go ahead and swipe over, sign up for that if you're interested. Announcement number two. I want you to join me downtown Salt Lake City, May 31st for the Chris Peterson Die Hard Cowboy music concert. Go ahead and swipe over and sign up for that. Announcement number three. We need some help with Your Light International. For some photographers to give back their time and talent. That's May 15th, 11 to 3 p.m. Go ahead and swipe over to Your Light's page, and if you're interested in helping, hit them up, send them a message. Let's get into your questions. Skin tone editing is one of those things that we all learn along the way. There's extreme ends of it, like if you're out on the YouTube circuit, you're going to see the frequency separation. Let me just tell you right off the bat, you do not need to do frequency separations in your workflow, in your skin retouching workflow. In fact, for me, I do very, very minimal skin retouching at all. In fact, there's a lot of things along the way that we think that we need, but we actually don't, and that comes with time and experience as well. The only things that I really do to skin is take that redness out, like right up here on my cheeks, and I'll do that by using a selective color mask in Photoshop, and I'll reduce the magentas to about -60, and I'll reduce the yellows to about -40, invert that mask, and paint it back in at a low opacity, taking out the redness. What that does is even out a person's skin tone and takes the redness out and creates kind of a consistent skin tone throughout their face. Luckily, I have my beard to mask a lot of that. But you want to help people look their personal best. This is a really good question. And the first thing that always drives me is light. Where is the light coming from? Do I want to be in a backlight position? Do I want to be in a front light or side light position? Those are the things that dictate where I choose. But monotony can also play into this. In other words, I tend to find myself in the same positions over and over, and so I'll force myself into a different position to get a different angle or see light differently. So if you're watching this and you're saying to yourself, I don't know what side light, front light, or backlight is, then you definitely want to sign up for one of my mentoring sessions, or even sign up for my workshop by swiping over and attending one of those. Tips for culling images. The first one, be decisive. The second one, that comes over time and experience as well. The second one, I use the star rating system in Lightroom, so 1s and 2s is what I use. I use the 1 star in Lightroom to pick those images that initially have impact on me, and then from all of those, I take the number 2s, which are the best images for me. This comes down to file management for me, so yes, absolutely. Those memory cards do not and will not ever hold images longer than one shoot. So as soon as I get done with it, upload to my computer and then format the card. Just finishing up for the day and need to answer a couple more questions. So as far as the challenges go, no, they're going to be moved to a competition. So watch for updates, and once I get that together, then I'll post that. I would go with the 16 to 35 here, and I would bet with a little bit of research, you'll find that a lot of landscape photographers will fall into that wide range, and I bet a lot would fall into the 16 to 35. I just wanted to finish up today by giving you a link over to my YouTube channel. for the 12-minute review of this 3G Cotton Carrier camera harness system that I had out all day today. It's this guy right here. Now, on the packaging, it says 3G, but on their website, it's the exact inverse of that. They're calling it the G3. So I'm going to default to their website, and I'm going to swipe, give you that link. You can swipe over, take a look at that review. The bottom line is I would recommend this all day long. I can't wait to take it out to brandings with me, and I can't wait to get it out in the field more. To really put it through its paces. But initially, this thing is rock solid, and I love it. So again, take a look at that, swipe over, and take a look at my review.